Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is about how to prepare and register for Oracle Fusion Cloud certification exams. Uh, I got a request from a lot of my subscribers asking me to create a video on this particular topic. And of course, I recently passed my GL certification. Once everything is fresh in my mind, I thought maybe I'll create this video so that I can share the tips and also the steps involved in preparing and registering for Oracle Fusion Cloud certification exam. Okay, so let's get started. So this is the exam which I passed recently, General Ledger 2022 Certified Implementation Professional. Now the question comes like, how do we register for Oracle certification exam? So it's very simple. Uh, you need to log into this mylearn.oracle.com. It's a portal for Oracle University, and then search for certification and then check this checkbox. So here you should be able to see the results. And then probably if you are interested in General Ledger, you can enter the General Ledger keyword here. If it's an accounts receivable, enter that, or accounts payable, enter that. Or the other option would be to scroll down, search for the product financials, and then probably here you should be able to see your General Ledger. Or again, you can select your area, General Ledger. I mean, there's only one certification. This is the Japanese version, this is the English version. So click on this. And then straight away go to the last step, which says register now. So when I click on register now, it will ask you to enter your Oracle login credentials. So once you enter your login credentials, the next step would be pretty straightforward. You can follow the prompts and register for the exam. And about the exam mode is online proctored. I think online proctored mode is available in most of the countries. I'm not sure if it's available in all the countries, but definitely it's available in US. That's where I'm based out of. And have written my exam online proctored. So when I say online proctored, it's basically you write your exam online at your home. And when you are writing, when you are writing your exam, somebody will be monitoring online. Again, they have certain kind of steps wherein like Oracle asks you to download a software and you can write the exam only through that particular software. So when you log into that particular software, obviously the software will not allow you to your juggle around other browsers or other screens. So you will be kind of restricted only to that particular screen where you will be writing an exam. And the total number of questions are 55. It's pretty much same number for the other financial module certifications as well. But what I heard is, as far as the accounts receivable is concerned, the total number of questions are 58. Total time for the exam, 90 minutes. And of course, as I said, for AR, the number of questions are 58. So probably even the time might be a little bit higher for that. Passing score is 60%. And as far as the format, the exam format is in multiple choice questions. So there are certain questions wherein you need to even select two answers, and there are certain questions wherein you might need to select even three answers. And obviously, in those cases or for those questions, the number of choices would be more. So I've seen that there are certain questions wherein I need to choose at least three answers, and in those cases, the number of choices available are 6. Exam validity, exam is valid only for 18 months, and after 18 months you need to recertify yourselves in order for you to be current in the market. Rescheduling or canceling, once you schedule the exam, you can reschedule it I think any number of times. At least in my case, I rescheduled it thrice because of my other work commitments. And of course, whenever you are rescheduling or canceling, you need to do at least 24 hours before the scheduled appointment time. And the exam topics, again, these exam topics details will be available when you are registering for the exam. And as far as the GL is concerned, so these are all the topics. So it's about these are all about chart of accounts. Let me open this once again. Chart of accounts and questions about general processing, questions about intercompany financial reporting, so which includes the questions about financial reporting studio, smart views, etc. And of course, there will be questions about period close components, which would be evaluation, translation, consolidation. So pretty much all the topics in GL are covered. So as far as how I prepared for this exam, basically I prepared using Oracle UCLS, so which is I have an access to Oracle Unlimited Cloud Learning subscription package. So as part of this, I mean, again, I got this through my company. So this particular package includes access to all your training videos, student and activity guides, of course, which I cannot download, but I can read online. And also I have practice fusion environment, and of course there are some mock exams. So this UCLS package has got all these things. So this definitely helped me in preparing for the exam. And of course, there is also a practice environment wherein I can play around. And for all those people who do not have UCLS, then of course the only option would be to Google around. Maybe you can also go to your docs.oracle.com. So go for your financials. This is the documentation for Oracle Fusion Cloud, and then search for, say, general ledger. Okay, what's taking time? Yeah, and then select the general ledger, and here you can see pretty much all the topics which are covered in the exam should be available in this. So this is a total user guide for the general ledger module. And of course, you can always watch my channel where there are a lot of videos on Oracle Fusion Cloud. And as far as the prerequisites for the exam is concerned, yeah, you need to carry two government issued ID cards. It could be a passport or a driving license, and these should not have been expired. It should have your first name, last name, and it should be government issued, and it should include a photo on it. And you need to check in at least 30 minutes before the exam, so you will get a auto-generated email from Oracle, and you need to click on that check-in link in the auto-generated email 30 minutes before the exam, and then follow the prompts. And of course, after the exam, the results are displayed on screen, and at the right minute after the exam, you'll come to know whether you passed or failed in the exam. And later on, you can also view the exam results on Oracle CertView or on the mylearn.oracle.com once you log in with your credentials. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video. For interesting videos on Oracle Financials, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.